Now this is 10th problem from review assignment JEE Advanced 2020. Again a very simple question based on the fundamentals. Concepts involved in this question are total internal reflection and the working of optical fiber. Right. So question is like, you have optical fiber like this. That optical fiber has a refractive index of n1. This fiber has a refractive index of n1. Outside it, the refractive index is n2 on both sides, and on the ends it is n3. So to the left and right end, refractive index is n3, whereas top and the bottom side refractive index is n2, and the material of optical fiber has a refractive index n1. Now the question says that the demand of question, you have to select the value of n1, you have to find the value of n1 if through this optical fiber the whole half space below the end of fiber is visible. Below the end. So I have drawn the diagram like this, but you can draw the diagram in the vertical orientation also. You can draw this diagram in the vertical orientation. So this is the end n3, n3, this is n1, n2, n2. So below end, that means every point which is below this end, every point below this end should be visible from top side. In other words, any ray which is leaving from this side should exit on the other side. Then only the conditions given in the question can be fulfilled. The whole half space below the end of fiber is to be visible. So both are same diagrams. I will work with this diagram. It is obvious, it is very obvious that the ray which is moving in this direction will pass undeviated and will travel to the other side. This ray has no issue of visibility. The second extreme ray falling on the optical fiber will be this one. This is the second extreme ray which falls on the optical fiber at an angle of incidence approximately 90 degree. And this ray which falls on the optical fiber at approximately 90 degree angle will be refracted inside the fiber, at angle, let's say theta 1, and then on the other side it will be incident at some angle theta 2. To fulfill the condition given in the question, we must avoid refraction at this point, because if this ray is refracted into the other medium, nothing will be visible from this side. So as per the condition given in this question, this ray is striking on this surface must be reflected back, then only this ray will pass through this optical fiber and will reach on the other side. Which means this angle theta 2 should be more than the value of critical angle at this point, and the value of critical angle at this point, let's say this is point number 1 and this is point number 2. So theta 2 must be more than the value of critical angle corresponding to point number 2. And what is angle theta 2? So angle theta 2 can be written as 90 minus theta 1. So it should be more than theta critical at the point 2. And what is theta 1? So angle theta 1 can be obtained by Snell's law at point number 1. And if you follow Snell's law at point number 1, you can write sine of 90 degree using Snell's law. You can write sine of 90 degree divided by sine theta 1 should be equals to the refractive index n1 divided by the refractive index n3. So from here you can obtain the value of theta 1. Now if I take sine on both sides, so I will write sine of 90 minus theta 1 should be more than sine of critical angle at point number 2. Sine of 90 minus theta 1 will be cosine of theta 1. Cosine of theta 1, which can be written as 1 minus square root of 1 minus sine square theta 1 should be more than sine of critical angle at point number 2. And sine theta 1 can be written from here, which is square root of 1 minus sine theta 1. It is square root of 1 minus n3 square by n1 square should be more than. Now sine of critical angle at this point 2, sine of critical angle at that point 2 will be written as n2 over n1 by the definition of critical angle. Now you simplify this expression, and when you simplify this expression, you get n1 square should be more than n2 square plus n3 square. That's the answer of question now. Question number 10th from the review assignment. Remaining questions in the upcoming videos. Take care, stay happy, stay at home. Thank you.